Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to change resolution in Camtasia. So opening the Camtasia first. Now you can see on top center or the center top this option. Click on drop down menu and choose project settings. Then you can see here canvas dimension. You can click on the drop down menu and you'll find many resolutions here: 2K, 4K, 1080p, or any resolution you can choose from here. Or if you want to use the custom resolution, click on custom, this option, and then you can enter your resolution number here. Okay, so you can also change the frame rate here. Click on this frame 30 fps or the 60 fps or 50 fps, that's up to you. After choosing your resolution and fps, you have to click on apply. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.